What is botany? And different fields in botany. Botany is the branch of biology concerned with the scientific study of plants, including their physiology, structure, distribution, classification, genetics, ecology, and economic importance. Almost everything we eat is derived from plants, either directly or indirectly. Therefore, studies related to plants became crucial in order to grow the best and most nutritious crops in all types of soils, sandy, clay, silty and loamy soils, and to reduce our dependence on inorganic fertilizers and pesticides. As the population of the world is expanding while the climate continues to change, agricultural science could help save millions of lives by making the world secure and pollution-free for future generations to survive. Botany is one of the natural sciences. Natural sciences can be organized under two broad categories of physical sciences and biological sciences. Physical science is concerned with the materials in our world and in the entire universe and how energy affects these materials. Biological sciences involve the study of life forms. Divisions of natural sciences. Because botany is such a broad field of study, it has been divided into a number of smaller fields. There is a significant overlap of these divisions, as well as overlap with other sciences, and they should not be viewed as separate and distinct. The main divisions of botany are the different fields of botany. The fields in botany then their focus of studies are mentioned below. Agronomy, application of plant science to crop production. Bryology, mosses, liverworts, and hornworts and economic botany, study of plants of economic use or value. Ethnobotany, relationship between humans and plants. Forestry, forest management and related studies. Horticulture, cultivated plants. Lichenology, the study of lichens. Paleobotany, fossil plants. Palynology, pollen and spores. Phycology, algae. Phytochemistry, plant secondary chemistry and chemical processes. Phytopathology, plant diseases. Plant anatomy, cell and tissue structure. Plant biotechnology, present technology used in different subdivisions or subdisciplines in plant science. Plant breeding, hybridization in plants. Plant ecology, role of plants in the environment. Plant morphology, structure and life cycles. Plant physiology, life functions of plants. Plant systematics, classification and naming of plants. Thanks for watching. For further study please click the subscribe button.